Do you want to keep your iPhone apps private? Have you ever wished there was a way to hide downloaded apps, social media, and other apps from prying eyes? In this video, you'll learn how to easily hide apps on your iPhone, giving you more control over what is visible. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then tap on Screen Time. And make sure you've got the Screen Time feature enabled. Also, under Screen Time, make sure you've set a passcode. If you don't have a passcode set for Screen Time, then anyone can change your settings. Once you've done that, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then tap on Content Restrictions. Go ahead and unlock this with the Screen Time passcode. So now let's say I want to hide all the downloaded apps on my iPhone. If I go back to my home screen, you can see that I have a bunch of apps that I downloaded from the App Store. So in order to hide all of those apps, let's go back to the Content Restrictions option on Screen Time. And then tap where it says Apps. And as you can see right now it is set to allow all apps, simply change it to Don't Allow. Once you've selected Don't Allow, you'll see that all of your downloaded apps on your iPhone will be hidden from view. But the apps are still installed on your device along with your data, but no one can see those apps. So if you want to unhide those apps, go back to Settings and select Allow All. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.